For science! Okay. Oh, shit. That is definitely not supposed to be happening. Oh, but it is for science. Oh my god. Look at that. That's sick. Tastes kind of funny, though. Holy shit. Guys, if the fire alarm goes off, I'm fucking running. Now, I'm outside, but I don't think the insurance company is gonna cover this one. Now, according to you guys, steel wool is where the real fireworks are at. So, let's try it, dude. What? That's sick. Dude. Dude, that's actually so sick. Chat, please follow me. Check out my YouTube channel. Let's open this bitch up. Oh my god. That was so sick.